everybody. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time joining me, my name is Jason, and I go by the nickname Fozzie, which is why the channel is called Fozzie Bear. Little spin on Fozzie Bear, the Muppets, but because I work as an usher on Broadway, I changed it to Fozzie Bear. Anyway, for those of you that have been subscribed to me and following me, you know that already, but if you're new to my channel, there you go. Anyway, I typically do unboxings on this channel. I've done a few other things, some vlogs, some cooking videos here and there, but it's mostly been unboxings. And today's video is going to be no different. It is going to be another unboxing. This is December. I don't know, obviously. I don't remember what the day is. It's a Sunday, but I don't remember the date. Anyway, not important. But I'm going to be unboxing AIA Beauty Bundle. I have been getting this for just a couple months. I used to subscribe to this box, and it was okay, but I just got overwhelmed with subscriptions a while ago, so I basically cut down on my subscriptions, and this is one of the boxes that I got rid of. So now I've only got this and two other subscription boxes. So I resubscribed to this, and I also subscribed to Ice Cream Beauty, and I just subscribed last month to Slay Glam Box. I'm very excited about this month's box, so when I get that, I'll film that for you. But this video will be AIA Beauty Bundle. Now, if you're not familiar with this box runs, I believe, $38 a month. It is a monthly subscription. It used to be bi-monthly. And each box is, I think, curated by some kind of beauty influencer or celebrity, something along that lines. So it's usually all the products are from one company. So let's go ahead and open it up this month. Now, like I said, this is December. And you open her up, you get the paper bag in there, and this is one of the subscriptions that always gives you a card, which I really love. So this month it is Touch of Soul, S-O-W, I'm sorry, S-O-W, S-O-L, I can read. And it gives you on the back all of the products that are in your box, as well as the retail value, I believe. Oh, I take that back. It does not, oh wait, yes it does. It does give you the retail value. So let's go ahead and look at this. I did have a giveaway a while ago. That giveaway is already over, and I've already sent off the box to the winner. Congratulations to that winner, by the way. But it was an AIA Beauty Bundle that I'd gotten. It was Play Cosmetics, and I just wasn't really excited about any of the items in that box. So let's see if this box excites me anymore. Let's see. So I'm going to go ahead and take this out. And I think there's always about 5 products in each box, so let's just go ahead and start pulling them out. This looks like it may be a combination of skincare and beauty products. So first product here is Waterful Glow Cream. See if I can get this without too much reflection, sorry. But let's see what the packaging looks like. I did get rid of a lot of my skincare products because they were old. I wasn't going through them fast enough, and so they were expiring. I'm sure they weren't bad, but they probably weren't as effective. So I don't have a lot of skincare products now. So this is very, I love that color, that kind of lavender. And this, let's see what it says. This is the Pretty Filter Waterful Glow Cream. This ultra hydrating moisture gel cream is instantly absorbed into the skin to calm, soothe, and minimize signs of aging. Rejuvenating ingredients include triple hyaluronic acid and a unique combination of super hydrating botanicals featuring shea butter, macadamia seeds, seed oil, and squalene. Contains no artificial colorants or parabens. And this retails for, I want to say $38 without my glasses. So let's go ahead and see if this has any kind of scent. It does have a safety seal. That's good. Oh, it does have, it's kind of just more of like a clean scent as opposed to, yeah, it's like a clean scent. I really like that. So, but this is what it looks like inside. Let me see what this feels like. And I'm just going to take a little bit off the cap here. It says water fill, so it should be pretty thin. So let's see. Yeah, it feels very light. Yeah, that feels nice actually. It's not heavy, it's not sticky, it's not greasy. Yeah, I like that a lot. And I like the fresh scent. So you can tell that it doesn't really leave a residue behind. I'm excited about that actually. So I don't know if this is something that you would just use in the evenings, but because it's a lighter formula, it may be good for the daytime. So, all right, excited about that. That's a good start. I haven't gotten skincare in a while, so let's move this to the side here and pull the next thing out. The next thing we have here is, again, it's all the products are from Touch of Soul. So this is pretty what? I can't read it on the box. I'm gonna have to look on here. Pretty Filtered Glassy Skin Balm. So let's pull it out because the ring light is going to just reflect off the pretty box. So this is what the bottle looks like, or the canister. And let's go ahead and, how do we, this is interesting. Okay. So this has almost the same exact scent as the first product. And it's just a white cream. Let's see what this one feels like. This again is a very light, it doesn't feel much different. So I'm not too sure as to what the main difference is between these two. Let's see if the card will. This is this 2-in-1 moisturizing water-based balm calms the skin while restoring radiance and delivering a hydrating priming finish to enhance makeup application. So this is used more as a primer. Okay, well that's good. Yeah, okay. So this can be used as a moisturizer or moisturizer primer. And what is the cost of that one? That one is $32. So the other one was $38, I believe. This is $32. Okay. Let's move on. The next thing is this No Problem primer. So we get another primer. I don't know how I feel about that. I don't know how many primers somebody needs at one time. So, but let's go ahead and open this up and see what the bottle looks like. And this is it. And let's go ahead and okay, so I don't know if you can see that there. And let's see how this feels. And again, this is a primer. This has got more of a floral scent to it, which I'm not crazy about. Yeah, it's not as sickening as some like rose scented products that I've had in the past. But because this is a primer and you would use it on the face, I don't know how I feel about this. It feels nice, and it doesn't feel heavy, but oddly enough, I can feel it on my skin. Like the moisturizer primer and the other one, I didn't really feel on my skin once I rubbed it in. This, I can feel kind of a greasy residue. You can't really see it, but anyway. All right. first product I'm not sure if I'm crazy about. I would use the other one as a primer before this one. Although this may hold makeup more, I don't know. But let's see, this one is, looks like it's $18, if I'm reading that correctly. The original K-Beauty primer has an airy formula, refines pores, minimizing their size instantly while providing proper adhesion to skin and leaving skin velvety smooth. Contains collagen. Yeah. All right, well, I don't hate it, but I'm not excited about that one. And it's got that floral scent that I just don't like. And if I'm going to be putting that on my face, don't know if I like that. All right, let's move on. Let's see. 2 more things. This one is another primer. Wow. This is no Problem eye primer. So at least this is more of a specific primer for the eyes as opposed to just a regular skin primer. But 3 primers in one box? Don't know if that's a great deal. This is what this looks like. And then it's got the applicator on this end. And then it's got like the, let's see how much it takes to get some product out. I don't know when it's, Am I doing it wrong? Okay, I think something's happening. Oh, there, I feel it. It's a little, yep, there it goes. Okay, so you can't really see it on here because it's clear, but you know, the little applicator here. I will give it a try. It's just like the other primer. Or maybe it's just that, honestly, maybe the other primer has such a strong floral scent that now I think this one has the floral scent. I don't know. Anyway, how much is this? That is going to be $22. I don't know. I'm kind of just apt to go back to the Gerard Cosmetics Clean Canvas. I think that's like around $30-something, but and that doesn't have a bad scent to it. So, all right. Well, anyway, let's move on to the last item. And this last item is, I think, the only makeup product in the box. So this is Stretch X. Get the look of false lashes in a single stroke. So it's a mascara. And this is, does it say what the color is? It does not. But this is their claim here, that the before and the after. I don't know. I'll have to try it and see how it actually works. I do sometimes wear mascara, not always. So, but let's see what the applicator is like. So it's kind of a fun little container here. And that is the wand. It doesn't have a strong mascara scent, which is good. But yeah, I will give this a try and see what I think of it. But that will be all for this box. So let's just quickly recap. We got the mascara. We got the eye primer. We got the regular makeup primer. We got the moisturizer primer. And we got the water moisturizer. Yes. What do I think of this box? It's an okay box. I'm happy to try the mascara and the moisturizer. Do I think we needed 3 primers in one box? Not really. So is it my favorite box? Definitely not. But is it the worst box? Probably not. So anyway, I will hang on to this subscription for a few more months and see. I haven't been really impressed with it since I've come back to it. So, but I am trying to give it a chance anyway. So, but this video is 15 minutes. I would like to make my videos now as short as possible because I don't want to torture you guys too much, and I tend to gab too much, especially if I haven't posted in a while, which I'm doing right now. So let me go ahead and just quickly end this video. All right, that is AIA for the month of December. I have a couple more videos coming this month. As soon as I get the boxes, I will film the videos and upload it for you. But with that said, if you've not subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. I'm about 750 subscribers. My next goal is 800, and I have a giveaway going for that. And that will end whenever I hit 800 subscribers. So other than that, thumbs up for the video would be great. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope everybody is staying happy and healthy, and I wish you the happiest of holiday seasons. And I will see you in my next video. Thanks for joining me. Bye.